in today's video I am traveling to Zürich, and I thought it would be fun to take my point and shoot camera with me and take some pictures while I explore the city. I try not to be too serious with the pictures here and just have fun and explore the city, and while I take some pictures, record myself doing it. Another thing, I was really awkward throughout the video because it's the first time that I'm recording it. I do hope to get more comfortable in front of the camera with time, but I hope you enjoy the videos nevertheless. So because I was traveling to Zurich and I was really restricted on the weight that I could bring, I did not bring out my big SLR camera with me to shoot. But I wanted to shoot film, and I thought I would make for a really interesting episode if I just shot Zurich on my point and shoot camera. And I brought my Style Epic with me, the Mju II, Olympus Mju II. You can see it because I have a sticker on it. So in the morning when I went out to buy some film, I also ended up picking up a disposable camera. I picked up a Kodak Funsaver, and the only reason that I picked up the camera was so that I can compare the pictures of the disposable camera to my Olympus. So I took the same frames throughout the day, and I'm going to put the pictures next to each other for you guys to see the difference between the Olympus and the disposable camera. So guys, I found this really cool Volkswagen van on my way to the train station. It's a blue and a white van. It's also against a blue and a white building, so I thought it would make for some really cool frames. Also, it's a thing in film, if you shoot film, you have to get a picture of the vintage car. So let's see what the shots are like. So here's a small update, guys. It started to rain, and it's very typical of Europe. It was really sunny during the afternoon, so I didn't pack for any rain. And yeah, so it started raining, and I'm not ready to risk my camera, and I don't want to film in the rain. The good thing is that because it's raining now, it's gonna make the streets wet, and at night when it gets a bit darker, it's also going to reflect light, which I think makes for really nice pictures. So I hope it stops raining soon and I can step out.
So it stopped raining and the sun is out. As I was walking by, I saw this alley, and through the alley I could see two Vespas standing there. Now, I wish I had my SLR camera where I could actually control the exposure, but I think it would make for a really good frame because the sun is out, it looks nice, and the colors are really bright. It's a red and a white Vespa. At this point, I was already out of the film on my Olympus. I still had a few shots left on my disposable camera because I think I get 3 or 4 extra pictures on the disposable camera. But all in all, I had a great time shooting on both the cameras. I had fun exploring the city, and I was really happy with the pictures on both the cameras too. Only thing that I noticed that there was a lot of distortion on the disposable camera because I think the lens on it is super cheap. If you guys did enjoy this video, you can always subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna put on more content like this, and hope to see you guys in the next one.